Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a product range by Wishcare, which is an Indian brand, and it is not only vegan and cruelty free and chemical free, but it's also a sustainable product. They use recyclable packaging. So I'm very excited to be doing this today, but before we get to that, I want to take a minute to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel and finally taken me over the 1000 subscribers threshold. Thank you so much, you guys. You have truly stood by me in the span of the last 3 years, I think, that I've been creating these videos, and I am so grateful. Thank you for being there, for being part of my YouTube family, and some of you are also part of my Instagram family. This gives me so much encouragement and makes me want to do better, strive better, create better videos. So now that I've said that, if you are watching this video and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that, because I am regularly posting product reviews, styling ideas, makeup tips, and so much more. In fact, I've been sharing a lot of short videos on the new YouTube feature called Shorts. So if you haven't seen those yet, please go watch it. They're videos that are less than 60 seconds, so all of you who don't like watching long videos can watch those. So without further ado, let's talk about this product and this amazing brand. So I'd like to show you the range of products that Wishcare sent me. They've sent me this fermented rice hair oil. Take a look. Then they've sent me their fermented rice water shampoo, which is the strength and growth formula and is free from sulfates and parabens. And now coming to the last product that they sent me from this fermented rice water hair care range is the fermented rice water conditioner. This product is free from sulfates, parabens and silicones. So just to give you an idea of all the strengths and USPs of this product is, firstly, it's extremely affordable, and it's actually value for money, because I have tried this. I've tried it 2-3 times now, and actually I just washed my hair and did a quick blast dry to show y'all how amazing it's making my hair look lately. This is completely free from sulfates and I am so impressed with the result. So both the shampoo and conditioner come in a 300 ml bottle, which has this nozzle that you can lock and unlock basically by turning the nozzle, and this makes it so easy because that means you don't end up wasting too much product. You can seal it up and keep it in your bathroom. And for the oil, it's free from mineral oil. It's also the strength and growth formula, and it is 200 ml, enriched with vitamin E, coconut oil, argan oil and rosemary oil. So a little more about this product range. It's for all hair types, so it's suitable for treated hair, colored hair. You don't have to worry about that. The formula is mild, it's chemical free, and Wishcare is available on all e-commerce platforms, so you won't have any trouble finding it. So talking about the key ingredients, the fermented rice water moisturizes your dry hair and it provides luster and shine. Also provides strength and promotes growth of your hair. The coconut and almond oil restore and repair your hair and also promote healthy recovery. The vitamin E provides shine and sheen to your hair and protects it from any kind of breakage, split ends and damage, and also it strengthens the elasticity shine of your hair. Wishcare's tagline, "You wish, we care," truly captures the brand's essence, in my opinion. I mean, all of us are constantly looking for hair care and skincare ranges, and it's often quite disappointing. We spend so much money and we're not really that happy, but we really want something that would fit in our budget and also give us the result and would not be harmful for the environment. And I think Wishcare actually covers all those points. I mean, it's a sustainable brand, it does not contain chemicals or sulfates, and it's value for money, and it contributes to Make in India. So it's just exactly what I've been looking for, and I'm sure most of you also look for similar types of products and brands. So I want to quickly now take you all through my experience of using the product. I am not a big fan of using hair oil because of all the greasiness and the difficulty of washing it off. I'll do it maybe if I have to go get my hair washed later at the salon or something, which is not happening right now during COVID times. But I was really happy with Wishcare's fermented rice hair oil because it's not an extremely greasy or heavy formula. It just, can be applied gently with their scalp applicator. So yeah, you can just apply the hair oil with this applicator, just comb it through, massage it gently, and then once you're done with that, gently comb it out. Don't be too harsh on your hair. And once you've done that, you can leave it on for an hour or so. I personally do that, and then wash it off with their fermented rice water shampoo and conditioner. Now let's talk about the shampoo. So the shampoo was a very different experience for me because I'm used to using shampoos that foam up a lot and I really massage it through the scalp and wash it off. Now this one, because it's sulfate free, it's not going to foam up that much, and you don't need like a crazy amount of product to actually clean your hair. Just shampoo your hair twice with this and gently massage it through, and yeah, wash it off. So the best part about using this shampoo was that after I washed it off, my hair actually felt light and very clean. Some of the other shampoos that I've used actually still feel very heavy on the hair, and it's like I'm washing and washing and washing and it's not really coming out, it still leaves that buildup of product in, and I'm not a fan of that. So the fact that this felt so light and so clean after I was done washing, and I saw the same result after I dried my hair, all the times that I've used this shampoo, I've seen that. Anyway, after you're done applying the shampoo, make sure you wash it with cold or lukewarm water. I'm not a fan of washing my hair with cold water, but lukewarm water is always a great idea to do that. If you generally prefer hot water, at least for your hair, try to make the temperature a little less. Yeah, and moving on to the conditioner now. Conditioners, in my experience, also get heavy and greasy. I always apply them just to my mid-lengths and ends, but with this you can actually sort of go up till your scalp too, because it's not going to make it super greasy or super oily, and you won't have to just be standing in the shower forever to get it off, because it does wash off nicely. Just make sure once you apply it, you leave it on for 5 minutes for sure. Again, I recommend that you wash this off with cold or lukewarm water. So I'll be very honest with you, once I was done washing in the bathroom itself, while my hair was still wet, I actually felt it was so easy to comb through it. Like, I didn't have to struggle. That sometimes I need to do that, my hair keeps knotting up and then I'm struggling and then like so much hair falls out. But this doesn't do that. It actually makes your hair smooth and silky, and you will see that result once you're out of the bathroom and you've dried your hair. I personally like to blast dry or towel dry. Never overdo it with any heating products on your hair, unless of course you have to go to like an important event and you need to style your hair or something. But other than that, I personally avoid too much heat on my hair. Because the conditioner is sulfate free, it's free from parabens and it's free from silicones. It's not like other conditioners. You won't feel like the heaviness, and once you wash it off, the hair will feel smooth, soft, but also not greasy again. Something that a lot of other conditioners do. Like, sometimes you use these hair masks and once you washed it and you dried up your hair, you feel like you've oiled it, like it's not gone. Even if you stood under the shower for like 15 minutes washing it off after applying the conditioner. So all in all, I give the Wishcare Fermented Rice Water Product Kit, the hair care kit, definitely a 4 out of 5, because I have seen the results so quickly. I'm gonna see over time also how it helps my hair, but so far it's been great, and I am so thankful that it's finally cleaning out my hair of all the buildup of all these years of using all the chemical products. Again, what I share is my personal experience, so I would always recommend that you test the product on yourself and see how it goes for you. Everyone's skin and hair does not respond the same way to every product out there. So yeah, you also have to use your own personal sense to understand what's working for you and what's not. That's all for today. I really hope you liked this review. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you did like the video, and do share it with anyone else you feel might benefit from it. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried this product, or if you're planning to try it, or if you have any questions. And you can also let me know what products you would like me to review, so I can try those and let you know how they worked for me. And finally, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video that I post. I am regularly sharing product reviews and makeup hacks and ideas, styling tips, recreating looks, even trying my hand at ASMR makeup. So yeah, I need your support, you guys. I hope you're staying safe and healthy and taking good care of yourselves and your loved ones. I will see you very soon. Until next time.